Hello and welcome to Althea Suite. Today we're going to take a look at a mattress store workflow and discuss some of the features that may be helpful in that industry. The first thing you'll notice is that this is an entirely web-based browser. You can access Althea Suite from any device with internet access, whether that's a tablet, smartphone, laptop, or desktop. You can access it from anywhere, at any time, and again, with any device. Now this is our default login page. It's going to have your dashboard numbers for your orders, sales, and purchases. We're on sales currently. Up top, you'll see your numbers for the day, week, month, and quarter. Down below, we have these 4 graphs that are highly configurable, customizable, based on the KPIs you want to track. If I click the little gear icon to the left of the graph title, I can come in and adjust exactly what is displayed. So if I want to focus on a particular category, employee, location, brand, etc., I can do that. I can adjust the time interval and how long it goes back, as well as the type of chart and the title of the chart. Now, the first thing we're going to do in this mattress workflow is come down and create a quotation. So I'll come up to the upper left and select New. And first thing you'll do is select a customer. The business location and register that the login is associated with will automatically be populated. We'll come in and select Andrew Jackson. You'll see from his customer profile, it will pull his billing address. And for the shipping address, we either have a drop down here or a checkbox to use billing address as shipping address. If there's multiple shipping addresses in the customer profile, they will all appear here and you can select from the drop down. Status, obviously new, and it will auto select the user logged in for the made by field. So this can be changed as well as associating additional employees. Now we'll select our mattress here, South Shore Samaya mattress, king size. And once you add that item, it will appear in your line items down here. You'll see the quantity, the unit cost price, as well as the unit sales price. You're able to add any discount from here. We'll select from your drop downs of already added manual discount. We're going to receive a deposit on this quotation. We'll say 25%. And when I input the 25%, that will be calculated for me right here with our pending amount. I'll simply hit this black arrow, pull that over and save the deposit. And with the 3 dots on the line item here, I can come in and show stock. And I'll see that we have no stock. Actually, we're currently at -1. So I know that I will have to create a back order PO for this item. So for now, we will create the quotation. As you can see on the invoice status, it is currently not invoiced. But again, if I go to our 3 dots to the left here, I can go ahead and convert this into a sales invoice. So we'll do that. Now, all the information I just entered on the quotation will be pulled over, but can still be edited at this point. If I wanted to add additional items, change the item, or add additional quantity, I could do that from here, as well as still having the opportunity to add an additional discount. Now, as I saw, we don't have this in stock currently, so I'm going to mark it as a pending delivery. You can see the deposit amount was pulled over, and the remaining balance is $342.37. Now, when I select Pay Now, I'll have the opportunity to take a customer signature. That can either be done on an external device, sent to another tablet, phone, etc., or I can accept it on the device I'm using to create the invoice. Simply select I agree to terms below. Give a signature. I can accept that and select OK. And it will pull me to my payment screen. Now I have multiple different payment modes I could accept. The deposit is already registering. I could take it with a finance agency, cash, card, check, customer balance, advance amount, store credit, or gift card. We'll select cash and we'll take the remaining pending amount after the deposit. Accept that and save. And you can see the invoice status changed to invoice, but we're not quite done yet, as we do need to create a backorder PO for this item. So the quotation will still remain here. It won't disappear after converting to invoice. If I come down to my sales invoices, I can see that the most recent one is this one that I just converted. Again, we'll come to our three little dots and we will select create backorder PO. Now I have a preferred supplier for this, so I'm going to select that one and then click generate. Creating PO operation completed. Successfully generated PO for supplier Ashley. Now, you'll also see in the sales invoice after I've done that, we now have an associated PO number. If I want, I can go check purchase orders. And we can see up top the most recent one that was just generated. When I click into it, I can see that it is a backorder PO. I can see the invoice number it's associated with, who it's for, when the invoice was created, and the customer address. If I want, I can print this or send it as an email, as well as the sales invoice. I can print or send as an email to the customer. We'll take a look at that print format. It's going to pull up all of our information here with the line item, salesperson, and who it was sold to, where it will be delivered, as well as all the payment information and totals here. Last thing I'll want to do is come down to my deliveries, pending deliveries, and we'll go ahead and schedule this. Schedule on calendar. We'll set this for tomorrow. I'll click here. It will give me the option to create delivery schedule. I will click on that. We have time that can be adjusted here, start date, end date, as well as assigning it to an employee. We can add any additional notes here. For example, a gate code for second floor apartment. Save, and there it will appear. If I end up needing to adjust this, maybe the customer's gone on Thursday, I can just drag and drop, update appointment, and it will appear there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you continue enjoying using Althea Suite.